One of the most common types of algebraic expressions is the polynomial. Some examples are 2x plus 5, 3x to the fourth minus 7x squared plus 2x plus 4, and 5x squared y squared minus xy plus 3, to name a few. The first two are polynomials in only x, and the third is a polynomial in x and y. So let me draw a separate example here. Let's say I have 3x to the third plus 2x plus 1. So this has three terms because we are adding or subtracting three different combinations of numbers and variables. We also can look for coefficients of each term. Coefficients are the numbers attached to the variables. So the three coefficients for these three terms are 3, 2, and 1. We also can look for the degree of each term that is connected to the exponents. So the degree of this first term is 3. The degree of the second term is 1. It's just not written. And of the third term, since there is no variable, the degree is 0. Now, if we are looking for the overall degree of this polynomial, it would be 3, the highest degree out of each term. Now here below, you see a very formal definition of a polynomial. I just want to note that this definition, while it is given to us in our textbook, it's more confusing than what it's worth, and we will just focus on more concrete examples together. A last little bit of vocabulary I want to focus on. Polynomials with one term are called monomials. Polynomials with two terms are called binomials. And polynomials with three terms are called trinomials. So a quick example over here to the right, if I have 3x squared plus 1, this would be called a binomial because there are two terms being added. Now, one thing we want to keep in mind is a special way we write all of our polynomials, and that's called standard form when we have descending powers of x. So we always write our answers. Always write answers in standard form. Okay, so that was a lot of vocabulary thrown at you in this first video. Some of it might feel familiar from Algebra 1. Let's get into some examples below.